My dear students, competitive chemistry JEE NEET 2025 focus. 2015 JEE advanced question, metallurgy chemistry, like, share, subscribe. For 2025 aspirants, column 1, column 2. Carbonate, you see, siderate, FeCO3, iron carbonate. So carbonate, siderate. At the same time, malachite, CuCO3, CuOH taken twice. Malachite also possesses carbonate ore, okay. At the same time, calamine, a ore of zinc carbonate, ZnCO3. So, column 1 carbonate related to P, that is siderite, that is FeCO3, related to Q, that is malachite, CuCO3, CuOH taken place, malachite also carbonate. At the same time, calamine, ZnCO3 also possesses carbonate. So PQS are the right answer for carbonate. At the same time, PQS, they belongs to carbonate ores. Sulfide, argentite, Ag2S is the right answer. Silver, Ag2S, silver glance, Ag2S, argentite, Ag2S is the right answer for sulfide. Hydroxide, malachite, CuCO3, CuOH taken place. In malachite, hydroxide also present. CuCO3 carbonate ore. Besides carbonate ore, malachite contains hydroxide ore. CuOH taken twice. So hydroxide, Q, malachite related to hydroxide. Next, oxide, no doubt, bauxite, Al2O3, 2HO, bauxite, oxide related to bauxite, aluminum oxide, Al2O3, 2H2O, bauxite. Okay, let me repeat, carbonate related to P, Q, S, sulfide related to argentite, Ag2S, hydroxide related to Q, malachite. Formula CuCO3, CuOH taken place many times. This was asked. NEET and JEE, this bit was asked many times. Oxide, bauxite. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much.